It's almost lunchtime and I haven't made a trade yet. You can see here, haven't made any trades. I've been sitting here watching, waiting, really not trying to trade AWX today. I'm not trying to be about that life. I don't want anything to do with this stock, even though it might go to the moon as I'm talking about this. But let's just go through here and see the stocks start moving around. This stock here, it popped up there. I was waiting to see if it could break over $3 and it just started crashing. This other stock here, LX, kind of all over the place this morning, bouncing up there to 14, pulling back. Not really a stock that I normally trade anyway. The stock that I thought might have potential was SPWH this morning. It went from 5.60 up here to $6, and I was kind of watching it in this area and just wasn't really liking the volume, just kind of slowing down. The volume just isn't really there as well. You really need some more volume. That's the big thing with these momentum crazy stocks that we trade. We need volume, we need action, and well, there's just not any volume action. LTRX, I really thought this was going to be the stock that was going to be the big play of the day, and what I was watching was for this break over $5. I would like to have seen the break over $5. Very similar to the other stocks we talked about, only 626,000 shares traded, which just isn't enough volume. You can see the volume there, just not enough volume to really push through sellers and get crazy, make some big moves. Now, the one stock that I really was excited about this morning that I thought really would have potential was this stock here. IPAS was looking to go short on this stock, actually. This stock is a reverse split. And what happened is right out of open, this thing spiked to 285 and then it ended up getting halted and then reopened and got stuck there at $3. I was hoping that it might break above $3, a quick little like 320, 330 spike, you know, and then look to short. This is a reverse split. On the daily chart, you can see this thing get, basically it was a 1 to 10 reverse split. So from 20 cents up there to $2 this morning. And normally these reverse splits, they just start going right back to where they came from. And that's kind of what I was looking for. It dropped from like $3 down there to $2.30, and it just wasn't happening. So one of those days, just the volume's not there. It's August. People say August is one of the hardest months to trade. It's looking like August is going to be one of the hardest months because it's just not been happening. The volume isn't there. The action just isn't there. This stock here, VKTX, overall making a nice little move there from 10.50, but not really liking these moves, you know. 5-6 cents per 1 minute candle. Finally made a nice little move there above $11 right as I started filming this video, which, you know, maybe above 11 would have been a nice little spike there. Kind of that whole dollar breakout. You can see from $11 up there to 11.15 and then kind of slowing down. And then this big move here from 11.22 up there to 11.40. So VKTX moving around there, but overall just not really seeing it today. Our friend from yesterday, KOSS, down there to 370. So a couple stocks moving around. I'm going to talk about in a video later on today about my new scanner and all that fun stuff using trade ideas. There'll be a link down below if you want to check out some stuff there. And I'll have that video later talking about my setup and how I'm finding stocks, what stocks I'm looking for. All the stocks that we already talked about were popping up on the scanners this morning, but just not having the volume that we need. AWX, I don't like this stock. I just don't like it. I don't want it. I don't want nothing to do with it. The volume's still low on it as well. Only 400,000 shares traded. So I'm going to go ahead and close it out there. Just one of those days. One of those days where the action just wasn't there. I really think LTRX, if it could have popped above $5, it could have been nice. Could have been a nice little move there. Or that SPWH was the one that I thought might have potential as well, but just not having that volume. I was thinking once we break over $6, we might get a big spike in volume. We got a little bit, but still it was kind of bouncy and just not happening. So I'm going to go ahead and close it out there. It's lunchtime. I got things I got to do. I'm going to talk to you guys later on.